Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for our today's vlog, I'll be doing a quick mini haul and unboxing. I just received my YesStyle package. I joined one of YesStyle campaign. I was selected and they gave me some amount to spend on their website. Tapos nag-exceed ako dun sa amount, so I used my commission and some YesStyle points, and this is all what I got. Ayan. So before I start to open this box, I just want to say thank you for those of you who use my code, and for those who want to purchase in YesStyle and gusto nyo gamitin yung aking code, my code is YesStyle12. So let's open now this box. Ayan. Okay, so first product here is false eyelashes. Ayan, ang brand nito is kbeauty. This is 10 pairs and this is number 217. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Okay, so next one is, konti lang yung makeup dito. Karamihan is for skincare. Ayan, so this one is from Nisha. Cushion, Magic Cushion Cover Lasting. And this is in the shade Light Beige. Open natin siya. Ganyan yung tsura niya. Tapos, ayun, tingnan natin kung ano. Alam ko maputi ito sa akin eh, pero tignan natin later on. Ayan. Ano ba? Sana hindi siya masyadong maputi sa akin. Parang okay naman. So, diba? Hindi naman masyadong maputi. Okay. Okay, so another one is this from Jigot or Jigot, tama ba ako? Whitening UV Sunblock. So this is SPF 50+, and it is with very strong water resistance, and it is also whitening, and sabi rito children combined. So siguro pwede to sa mga bata. Okay. So ganito yung tsura niya. Ilang ml to? This is 70 ml. Medyo malaki na rin siya. So ito magagamit natin to. So yung consistency niya is white na parang lotion. Ayan. Pero hindi siya malaki. Para siyang, yung scent niya parang flower. Ayan, hindi siya sticky actually. So, pero para siyang lotion. Ayan, okay. Okay, so next product is from Etude House. This is my Lash Serum. Yung current na ginagamit ko for my eyelash is castor oil. And gusto ko tong itry. So, ayan. I have also this drawing eyebrow from the same brand, Etude House. So, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang, this one is retractable. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gano'n siya kahaba. Ayan, ganyan siya kahaba. Okay. And, ayan. Next is, oops, wait lang, sarado ko ba ng maayos? Okay, so next is we have this ampule vitamin C. Yung brand niya is Pretty Skin. Okay, so ang maganda dito, pag bumili ka ng isang ampule, meron siyang free na isa. Ayan, and ang bango niya. Parang matamis yung niya, scent niya. So, this is 50 ml. So, it says here, this is brightening and moisturizing ampule. Okay, so bagay na bagay ito sa mga dark spot. Ayan. Okay. And next, we have here Secret Key Marine Raccoon Hydrogel Eye and Multi Patch. Meron akong na-try nito na from Secret Key kasi meron dun sa advent calendar yung color pink. So, I think this one is color green. So, open natin siya. Alam ko meron tong parang spoon eh. Ayan, meron siyang spoon. So, here. And, okay. So, color green nga to guys. Ayan, baka tumapon siya. Nakita niyo ba? So, ayan. Yung isa, yung color pink, ano siya, heart shape. Tapos, you have to tear it dun sa middle para malagay mo siya dito sa, under eye na. Pero, you can use that also as a whole. So, shape heart yun. So, ito, talagang na siya, separate na siya. So, ayan. Balik natin ulit. Pero ito, magagamit ko na to soon siguro by next week kasi paubos na rin yung isa. And then, I have a free na brightening sleeping mask. This one is from Some by Me. Meron ako nito yung malaki kasi meron dun sa Advent Calendar and sobrang ganda guys. Ang bango niya. Gusto ko yung citrus scent niya. And meron din ako rito na free na facial brush. So, ang brand nito is Soraya. Ayan. This is color pink. Ayan. Sobrang lambot ng bristles niya. Diba ang ganda? So, first time kong gagamit ng facial brush. So, okay. Next product we have here is from Isin 3. This is the Clear Skin AHA Essence. So, this is for normal or dry skin. So, it says here, removes dead skin cells and makes your skin softer, smoother, and brighter. Okay, so this is 100 ml. Open natin siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Meron akong isang product from Isin 3, yung essence din. So, ayan. Ito naman, dip pump siya. Yung isa is droplets yung niya, style niya. Okay. So, ano pala yung mga product na, yung iba rito na product na kinuha ko is best seller ng YesStyle, kagaya nito. Ayan. At saka, ito rin. Ito. Ayan. Okay, so another one. So, last 3 na tayo. We have this Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. Ayan, this is, ilang ml to? 150 ml. Ito, best seller din nila. So, ganito naman yung itsura niya. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, no? So, ito naman, glass naman siya. Ay, glass. Plastic naman yung kanyang, packaging. So, ito, gagamitin ko natin mamaya kasi wala na akong toner. So, another one, last 2, we have this iUnique na Centella Calming Gel Cream. Ayan, sobrang dami kong nababasa na, magandang review regarding this, kaya kinuha ko rin siya. So, sabi rito, this light and moisturizing gel cream can help to make sensitive skin blemish calming and relief with Centella Asiatica leaf water 70% and tea tree leaf water 10% from skin stress. Okay. So, ito yung tsura niya. Ayan. Ilang ml to? 60 ml siya. So, ayan. Nakaseal din siya. Pala, kaya hindi ko siya ma-open. Okay, so kuha tayo ng konti. Pero I think this one, magagamit ko na rin siya kasi wala na rin akong moisturizer. And, parang wala akong maamoy. Meron siyang scent pero hindi masyadong naaamoy. So, anyways, I'm gonna give you a review later on after using it sometimes. Okay, so last product na tayo. I have here the Lemon Sparkling Peeling Gel. This is from Secret Key. And this is 120 ml. Okay. So, this one naman is remove impurities and exfoliate for bright, healthy-looking skin. Okay, so, ayan. Open din natin siya. Okay, so, nakaseal siya eh. Kuha tayo ng konti. Okay, so, ganito lang yung kinuha ko, konti lang. Tapos, okay, nakita niyo ba may mga parang na tatanggal ng mga Dead Skin Scent. May scent siya pero hindi ko talaga maamoy. Hindi naman siya amoy lemon. Masyado. Pero, ayan. Ang galing mo, I feel smooth na. Instant smooth siya. So, ayan. Yan, tumapon pa tuloy. Okay. So, that's it guys. Ito lang yung mga nabili ko sa YesStyle. And yan lang yun naman itong box. So, I think total of 12 items ata to. And thank you for watching. Ayan, sana nag-enjoy kayo ng panonood. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!